There's no junk in this trunk, but there is a bit of style. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today I wanted to show you a few products that are designed to improve a part of our cars that is rarely kind of improved. I'm talking about the trunk. Now, the trunks of our cars were originally designed to haul groceries and stuff, but a lot of our cars are hobby cars that really don't get too much stuff. So here is a way that you can improve the look of the trunk of your Mustang in two different ways depending on your budget. So first, let's take a look at my 2004 Mustang Cobra. So as you can see, the trunk of our 2004 Cobra is pretty much like every other 94 to 04 Mustang. You got your standard carpeting, you got your hardboards underneath it, and a little bit of insulation underneath it for sound deadening. But what you don't have is anything that catches your eye or anything to keep this carpeting from getting damaged from some type of spills. So let's take a look at what we have. So what we have here is a trunk mat from Fender Gripper. It is designed for all 94 to 2004 Mustangs. This was actually designed for a coupe, and I just had to cut it on top because the convertible, as you may or may not know, has its premium sound system amps on the floor as opposed to coupes, which have them underneath the rear window tray. So as a result, the convertible trunk mat is a little bit shorter. It's not really a big deal to cut it because it is kind of like a flexible rubberized material, easily cut. This one does have the Cobra emblem and the Fender snake. They are officially licensed by Ford. They are designed to protect the surface of your trunk and to prevent items from slipping around. That's why it's got that Fender Gripper name. It feels much like one of those fender protectors that you would put on your car when you were working on it, although it looks much better. In addition to the Cobra logo, you could also get a Bullitt logo, a Mach 1 logo, or a Running Horse logo. So let's throw it in the car and see what it looks like. Installation truly is a breeze. Honestly, there's not much to it. It pretty much follows the contours of the original carpet, just kind of sits like that. So it looks really good. It's got the Cobra snake right prominently in the center. And best of all, it's only about $63, which is a really cheap price for something that could potentially save your trunk carpeting, keep things from moving around, and looks pretty good. I mean, I don't know how often I'm going to be opening up my trunk, but I like that it's in there. I like that it has a good look to it. So that's one option. So the Fender Gripper does a really good job of improving the overall look of the trunk of the car. Plus it gives a little bit of protection for what I think is a pretty reasonable price. Now, if your budget is a little bit higher, let's go take a look at our 1999 Mustang GT to see what it has. So what we have here is a trunk mat from Lloyd Mat. And you might know Lloyd Mat because they do make some really high quality interior floor mats. This one is black with the tri-bar pony logo. You can also get the GT logo and the Cobra snake. It's stain resistant black carpeting. The backing here is waterproof and non-slip, so it doesn't move around. It is also officially licensed from Ford. You can tell this is a high quality trunk mat. Even the embroidery right here, it's very similar to what you'd find on high quality floor mats. It's a really nice, durable design. This one's actually designed for a convertible. You can see it's cut a little short. My buddy John, when he sold his New Edge convertible, he kind of gave it to me as a gift. Thanks, John. Shout out to you. But it fits perfectly in the coupe. And because the backing is non-slip, it really doesn't move around. So as I said, you can tell this is a higher quality piece, but the price also reflects it. These retail for about $168, but I have to say they are beautiful. So let's put it back in the trunk and see how it fits. You can feel this is a lot heavier than the Fender Gripper and a little less pliable. However, it does hold its shape really nicely. There it is. Really gives it a premium look here in the trunk of the GT. So there you go, two different products at two different price ranges. They both kind of accomplish the same thing, but they do it in two different ways. The Lloyd Mat is much more premium. The emblem on it is much nicer, but you are paying, you know, more than double the price, almost triple the price for it. Is it worth it? Well, that's up to you. The Fender gripper trunk mat will accomplish the same thing. It does look really cool. It has a kind of a wider assortment of logos available, but it doesn't have that super premium feel that the Lloyd Mat offers, albeit you save a considerable amount of money. I will leave links below in the description if you want to pick up your own Fender gripper or Lloyd Mat for your Mustang. And I do believe that both of those companies do offer products for a wider range of Mustangs. So if you have something outside a 99 to 04 or 94 to 04, you can take a look at their product line and you might find something that fits your Mustang as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do me a favor and hit that like button, or better yet, click the subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.